again, it's Brenda from Ride, Ohio. I hope you're all doing good. And I just wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about where are we going to ride today? That is the big question. Where are we going to ride today? I always tell Roger, where are we going to ride? And he's like, I don't know. Where do you want to ride? Well, I'm not sure. So I leave it all up to him to figure out the road trips that we're going to take for the day. So sometimes it's just nice just to get on that bike and just take off. And wherever the road leads you is where you go. But it is a beautiful thing to ride a motorcycle. The scenery is awesome, awesome. And the back roads, and we're not talking about dirt roads, gravel roads. Our back roads are paved still, but Ohio is beautiful in the summertime, in spring. And there are so many different places that you could ride just right here in Ohio. You don't even have to leave the state to go for a nice ride. Either it's a long ride or or a short ride. But it is always a good time to ride with somebody. And I don't normally do big rides because I don't like the drama of different people. And I don't like to rush and ride real fast to get somewhere. So I love riding with my husband because we can take our time. We can stop wherever we want and make it amazing each day that we do ride. So please help us by watching our videos and liking and sharing and subscribing always. Get the word out. Have people watch because we're trying to build our channel up. Remember, it's Roger and Brenda on Ride, Ohio, and I hope you all enjoy the videos as much as we're enjoying putting them up. So have a good day, everyone. Bye.